Hello, future millionaire. Today's video coming to you from Italy. Yeah, I just went to Italy and I'm getting a coffee right now in Italy. Okay, just joking. Yeah, no, this is still on the Gold Coast. This place is called Via Roma, Capri Via Roma, and it's very nice, very European. Most people probably don't know I actually grew up in Europe, and for me, I always meet the European lifestyle. But Australia is very similar to Europe, so in that way, I meet a lot of Europeans here, which makes my life much easier. Okay, back to Bitcoin Cash. You must have wondered today I'm not wearing the Bitcoin Cash shirt because unique experience yesterday. Yesterday alone, while I was out there doing my usual thing, I was tapped on the shoulder by many people, unspoken to, because my shirt that says Bitcoin.com on the back. And the most prominent experience was a 70-year-old lady who, if you're watching, hello, thanks for talking to me. She tapped on my shoulder and asked me if I work for Bitcoin and where can she find the nearest Bitcoin ATM because she wants to get some money out of her Bitcoin. So it turns out her grandson has given her a new iPhone, and that iPhone has a blockchain wallet on it. And unfortunately, she forgot her password to her own iPhone, therefore I couldn't help her install Bitcoin.com wallet to give her free Bitcoin. However, if you are watching this today, lady, I forgot to ask your name, sorry about that, but you know who you are. Please ask your grandson to watch my video and download Bitcoin.com wallet, and then what you can do is send me a picture or something of your wallet address, a public address, then I will send you the $1 that I wanted to give it to you. And that way you get to see how Bitcoin Cash actually works, and also your grandson, who I'm talking to now, most likely get convinced that this is a better coin than the normal Bitcoin. Alright, I'm going to enjoy my coffee now and maybe make more videos along the line. Alright, see you in the next one. Bye.